Happy Friday, everybody. This is March week 4 for the OSS team. And to start it off, we have Colin giving us a demo of running Groovy commands in the API, with the JS API.
So same server setup as before, small changes to the JS API that we're using. So it's the same demo as we've had in the past, where we create a session, create a table, all that stuff is continuing to work. I got to back up a little further, I guess. This bit of code here is going to say whenever we get a log message from the server, just dump it to the browser's log down here, as opposed to the UI somewhere. When you run that, we end up seeing all the logs that we've seen since the server started up, or at least whatever it has kept in memory for a client like us. If we have some kind of a command to run, like println 1, we see the 1 written on the server, and then we also see it written over here on the client. And if we do some table operations, like try to create a table like this, the table is sent to us, or the table details, the fact it's a table is sent to us. And we can also see the contents of the table with the show command logged to this log. We can't yet fetch the table, but now that we have both how to fetch and subscribe to a table and how to create tables created, we just need to put the pieces together, and we'll soon have at least the ability to fetch table content from the console.
Mm-hmm. All right, very cool. All right, moving on, we have Devin to show us some of the work he's done with Dockerizing the JPy builds. So, Devin?
Right. So this is going to be a demonstration of building and doing a quick run through JPY. Quick recap, JPY is a library that lets you interface Java and Python together. Before, there was a complicated build process around it based on whatever machine you're on. I've Dockerized it here to kind of give a consistent setup and build process. I've gone ahead and already got these runtime recs and build requirements set up. You can see the differences in size here. The runtime recs is 300 megabytes. The build time recs are 600. And we'll go ahead and actually compile it live here. Hopefully it'll be pretty fast. So there's some C++ going on there. Downloading some stuff from Maven. And we're done. And so now we can go ahead and run a quick command here just to go over what this is. We're executing Python. We're importing JPY. We're starting the JVM. And then we are printing out through the Java system out. Go ahead and run that. And there we go. That's our output. So that is the quick JPY demonstration. And I will now share another screen. This is the Gradle build scan that has been hooked up to CI. Right now I'm using it for figuring out what tests are taking a long time. It turns out that there are a couple tests that are taking a very long time, a couple tests that are taking an hour, a couple tests elsewhere that are taking 20 minutes or 30 minutes. So this will be a good tool when we want to get down in there and speed up our long build process.
All right. Very cool. Okay, so next up we have me. I'll present, even though it's already on my screen. So in my example, I have hooked up the UI to the new API, and we right now it's just using the timetable API. It's not actually running the commands as Colin just got that working today, but that's the next step in getting it working. But right now we're able to retrieve a table and show it in the UI, and we're getting ticking updates. So it's working end to end right now. So there we go. And that's all we have for this week. So thank you for watching, and see you later. Bye.